In 2025, I met this wonderful man. He shared with me a shocking story, a surprising story. As we were discussing, he says, I'm a Christian. I don't go to church and I cannot. I preached to him. I tried to convince him. He refused and told me this shocking story. He says, I've been going to church for years, but not even a day. I heard from my pastor that since God will punish, that God hates sin, rather they were just telling me what I want to hear. And because they were telling me what I want to hear, I ended up in the prison. Because they were telling me what I want to hear, I was misled in life. I was deceived. And my life is just in a mess. I said, but Jesus is still ready to fix your life. My life is in a mess now. I am old, but nothing to show for it. Nothing to account for it. Dear pastors, please tell the congregation, tell the bridegrooms, tell your congregation what God is saying at this hour. What God is saying. God did not bring people to you to tell them what they want to hear. God brought them to you for you to tell them the truth about Jesus, that God is holy, that God is righteous. You must be like him. Stop telling your congregation what will make their heart feel good, what will make them feel happy. It's high time you come out and say the truth. God has made you a watchman. Ezekiel 3 verse 17 says, Son of man, I have made you a watchman for the people of Israel. So hear the word I speak and give them warnings from me. Give your congregation warning from God. Stop changing the message of God. Stop compromising because you want members. Stop compromising because you don't want to lose your members. Tell them the truth. Judgment will start from the church. Remember, what account will you give to Jesus? I met a young lady. Also, she told me she rebelled against God and went out of faith. One day, as her mother kept praying for her, one day God touched her heart and her life changed. Maybe, beloved, maybe you're not in the physical prison, but the prison of life is that you feel like life is against you. You feel like things are not going on with you well. Nothing is happening. Nothing is working. Maybe the prison of life for you is that you feel stuck. You feel you are not moving on in life. Jesus is ready to fix the broken part of you. He says he knows the plan he has for you. It's of good, not of evil. In Jeremiah 29 verse 11, God says, I know the plan I have for you is the plan of good, not of evil, to give you future and a hope. God is still ready. God has future for you. The future God has for you, he has not stopped. He still have that future. Just give him your heart. Remember, Jesus is coming soon. Give him your heart. Live a life that praises him, and he will not let you down. John 6 verse 12 says, when they had all had enough to eat, he said to his disciples, gather the pieces that are left over. Let nothing be wasted. Beloved, gather the pieces of your life. It's not the end. He still has plans for you. He has plans for you. Gather the pieces of your life. God still wants to use you. Don't waste your life. Don't perish, because God does not want you to perish. Don't disappoint God. Walk with him. He will beautify your life. Remain blessed.